Hey YouTube, Radio Garage, back on the bench. Everybody make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment. I appreciate all the feedback and support. We got a Stryker SR 440 HP, one of the old school original Strykers, and she is an AM FM rig. Okay, and just going to do a quick demo overview. Got done with this one. She's all ready to go. Just thought I'd share the results with you guys. So we'll go to the receive side first. And she's doing that left-hand column there, about 12 dB SINAD. Okay, and she's coming in at, she's coming at negative 102. Okay, dBm. I'll let you hear it there. She's still coming in pretty good. And we'll drop this down. Somewhere about 110, then I think it fell out. So pretty good little receiver on her. So that's the receive, and we'll be back with the transmit. Alright, and we're back. This is the transmit portion, and we got mic gain all the way up, and we got our power right here. We'll put it all the way down, and we'll key it up. And she's doing 2 watts. We'll roll the variable up, and variable all the way up, about 12 watts. Okay, and we're gonna throw a tone into it now. Really nice. There's our pattern, and there's our steady tone PEP. So that's looking good there. Okay, we'll take that off, and I will put a mic into it quick. Okay, and we'll see about getting a little on air with it.
Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 4 audio.
And we're real close here, so let me dial this mic gain back some.
Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 4 audio. Stryker 440 audio.
So yeah, she sounds real good there. Let's see what she swings on the meter with the voice. Okay. Hello, audio. Yeah, she's burying my my 50 there. We'll go to ×2 multiplier. And we're reading the middle, or I'm sorry, we're reading the bottom scale now, the 100-watt scale. Hello, audio. Hello. So doing just about 50. That's with the carrier all the way up. I'll put the carrier about half. Hello, audio. So yeah, she's doing about 50 or so with the voice peaks. That's pretty much going to be it for the 440, guys. I'll do a quick frequency check. And it should be 27,205 when she gets there. Yeah, we're right there. So receives good, transmits good. Frequencies on all lined up, so that's going to be it. Radio Garage, we are off the key.